Welcome to Marvin Art. We have a full house. We've got Mo, we've got Mitch.
Hi.
And what I'm gonna do today, so last video, I did something kind of cool where I did a kind of spin on the hide and reveal where I did a swipe, then I covered it and I bloomed on top and it made this really pretty kind of, you can kind of see underneath like the old swipe that kind of stretches out. So here, you may take this. So today we're gonna try something again. Now, I don't have like all the products I want. I'm gonna have to use a light pillow and I'm going to do an interference swipe. And then we're gonna top my interference swipe with PBO Blue Black, okay? Then I'm gonna bloom on top of it with Holcroft Galah, which is, by the way, is a bird. Who knew?
From Australia.
And then we have TLP Unicorn, TLP Comet, which is a red interference. Oh, I have a lot of TLPs. And I guess I'm gonna do Persephone, and we're gonna, and underneath the interference colors, we kind of made this custom bluey purple, too many colors in there to talk about. So let's get to work. Okay, so the color I'm gonna use is Sherwin-Williams Agapanthus. Just a pretty purpley color.
Yes, Agapanthus is one of my favorite purples.
Yes, me too.
Of the Pillow Paint collection.
Yeah, it's really pretty. And I'm gonna I'm gonna load it in the middle because I'm swiping and then we're stretching. So we're just making a kind of cool background. I'm actually gonna use, this is TriArt Quiller Violet, and I kind of warmed it up with a bit of purple. I'm just gonna make it as like a base layer like this. And I'm just gonna load a bunch of interference colors on top.
Or especially like dark oak greens, or not dark oak greens.
This is TLP Ball Gown, which is the gold. Then we're gonna go TLP Shimmer. This is thinned out quite a bit because my room is very warm. So if I was prepared, I might thicken them up a bit, but who's prepared, right? And then we have TLP Velvet. Okay. So I'm just gonna use these 3 interference colors. And then I'm gonna coat, and then, hold on, I'm gonna coat the back of my knife with my Payne's Gray Cell Activator, and I'll top it off with maybe more of that purple, just so it holds the cells up nicely. Just like this. Now, what we get, we're not gonna really see as much. I'm hoping that it will just peek through nicely. So I'm gonna cover that. All right, let's go.
So all the items you see are from Fluid Art, am I correct?
Yes, the piggies are from Fluid Art.
Cake spinner?
Look how pretty that is. You can't see it in the light yet.
Is the cake spinner from Fluid Art?
No, that's just from Amazon. Just a regular cake spinner. So in this light, you can't really see. It just looks plain. And we're not even gonna see much of that anyways, because now is the fun part. We're gonna cover this up, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna take my blue black, okay? And we're just gonna like cover her up and see what happens.
This already looks interesting.
I think so. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do?
Personally, I'm waiting for the actual spin
Yes.
and blowout to see what the final result is.
That's a good idea.
But currently,
Uh-huh.
it looks good and bad at the same time.
Well, we don't know yet, right?
It's not perfect, currently.
So I'm hoping this gets thin enough where the underneath starts popping through. I might just leave that open. Why not? Okay. So now I have to think about what I'm doing. Do I just want to do one bloom, or do I want to do? I'll do one bloom and see what happens. All right. So my problem is the way that I made this is I have 3 piggies in a tube, which isn't always ideal because I have a lot of piggies underneath. So I kind of have to think about what I'm doing.
Okay.
Maybe I'll go more with this purpley thing we mixed up. So I'm gonna start with TLP Comet And you'll see that popping through the bottom, hopefully. Okay. Then I will put a tube to hold her up. So why don't I do this dioxazine violet?
Yeah.
That's what this is? Oh, dioxazine violet. I thought this was one we mixed up, but we've mixed up so many paints, I don't really know what's up.
Mitchell helping us in the studio. He's really smart.
Gotta come to the rescue with the color
Yeah.
combination.
This is TLP Unicorn. I feel like, what's this?
That's that is Holbein Amethyst.
Ooh, Hawaiian amethyst, just a bit.
Nice.
Why not?
I'm not a huge fan of Holbein Amethyst.
You're not a huge fan?
I like the name. That's creative.
Quite. And then a bit of Persephone, and I'll top it with the Gala, and I'll do a Payne's Gray Cell Activator. Now this is opaque, so I'm gonna drizzle it with this end of the spoon because that one's dirty. Okay, it's a little thick. I'm gonna like just. All right. I don't know. It could be a hot mess, but that's the fun, right? Okay, here we go.
Also, that Pebeo Iridescent Blue Black will dry a lot different.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't dry that grey colour.
Oh, it has a pretty blue sheen to it. Okay, ready? There's thick portions.
You're a big
Also, I want to give technique to how Mom does this. I think, well, the best technique is do it through your nose.
You want me to blow that?
Perfect.
Okay. Now, this is actually looking pretty cool. I don't know if we're going to see anything pop up. I'm just going to have to spin it like a maniac to see. But the cells are looking good. We may not see the bottom at all. There's a beaver? Oh, we just went in the rocks.
Oh, yeah.
Mitchell's never seen a beaver before.
You can see it. It's in the rock.
Ooh. So I really enjoy.
Is that a beaver?
Oh. Okay, enough about the beaver. I really enjoy doing this layering, and you get this like, it is really watercolory, like, you know how I do my watercolor blooms, but this seems really cool. I'm just gonna spin the bejesus out of it. Now, if I wanted to see more of the background, I should have done smaller paints, but I don't mind this at all. Not the only reason it was good was because it made this like very watercolor. Like I love this petal right here, but you don't see anything I did underneath.
Yet. That's so pretty.
It is pretty. I'm gonna spin it again. I love this. Don't you love that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, not what I was going for technically, but love that, right? What do you think?
That's very nice. When you thin your paints out, you get really nice thin layers when you blow them out.
Yeah,
Very ethereal. They look like a curtain.
really pretty
Like
peacock
a
cells.
sheer curtain.
Okay, I'm gonna do a close up of this, and then am I changing anything?
No.
It's just a really cool one, but not. I don't see any of the interferences. Maybe they'll pop through after, but let's go look in the light. I'll be right back. Okay, I love that one. And so I have this little 6-incher. I'm gonna try, it's gonna be very challenging, to do a tiny negative space bloom with the PBO in the background. It's gonna be horribly difficult for me because it's so small, but we're always up for a challenge. And I'm not gonna put that much paint because I don't wanna have to spin it too much. And I haven't even decided how I'm layering. But first, we're gonna go like this. So I'm making a faux pillow with it, and that's just covering up my current pillow. So this will be the background. All right, are we ready? Now I can stretch this out a bit. Are we ready for the challenge? Okay. Colors. We love Persephone and the purple together, and the comet. That's all very warm. Do I want to add more color? And where's the, oh, here it is. All right, why don't I start again with Comet because she's pretty. Oh, and I almost did a lot. Like I'm going tiny, okay? Look at how small that is. Okay, after that, I should do a bit of a tubey. So I'll do this, whatever. Oh, I don't remember. Amethyst or something?
Whole being dioxazine violet.
Dioxazine violet.
So, okay.
Okay, look at how tiny I'm going. Have you ever seen such tininess? Okay. Oh, that's stuck. I need a spoon. Okay, then I'm gonna go Persephone. Tiny. How are we gonna get this negative space going? I don't know. And then I'll just do the Gala. Is 4 enough for fun?
No.
I don't know.
If you're going tiny and for negative space, you've already got too much paint.
I know. Okay, a little bit of the Gala. Okay, no, but I'm gonna blow very gingerly. Okay, I do have too much paint though. But how can I go smaller? I'm only putting a little cell activator. Okay, ready? Oh goodness. Have you ever seen anything so tiny? No. You haven't. Look at how tiny that is. Come on.
That is a pretty big bloom.
It's tiny, tiny.
Dainty. Dainty is the
Quite. Now, I'll spin it, but you know I do want to do what you hate, which is make little petals to get a good shape. You know what I mean? But I'll wait to see. But she's cute, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see. It's so challenging for me. Because she's going to spin out into like a weird shape. Oh. Okay. What does she want to do? I am seeing really cute peacock cells. Now, she does need to be skewered. Do you agree?
No.
What kind of shape
But
does this look like?
it looks like a paint splat. Or like
It
something
does.
something coming out of the universe or something like that.
But look at how cute.
It's very abstract. It's very nice. But
Okay.
if you're going to skewer, you go skewer.
I think, will you check if I have skewers in that top drawer in the kitchen?
Yes.
I might have skewers, or else
In
I'll
the
have to use,
kitchen?
yes,
Okay.
like underneath those oils right there. I have spoons, but they're very thick. But if I have a skewer, listen, it's very cutely dainty. Let me show you what I mean. Look at how, hold on, I'm trying to focus. Focus. Look at those cute little cells. You know what I mean? Okay, so, thank you. So first of all, obviously this blob has got to go. Yeah. I'm trying not to go. I'm trying not to touch the bottom. That's even cute.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying not to drag through the pillow. She cute. And I'm just going. We're trying to go with the petals anyways. You know what I mean?
I approve so far.
Oh my God, he approves.
Don't ruin it.
Okay, I'm trying. Don't make me laugh. Okay. I feel like this needs something, but I don't know where to go.
At the same time, there's no way to follow it
I
through
know.
the middle, so I'm like,
I know. Okay, let's spin it one more time. I'll have to spin with this hand. Hold on. Because I took my glove off of his hand. Listen, does this need a little something here?
I don't think so.
No. She's really cute. And this is kind of bothering me, but it's true. Like, there's no natural...
I actually really like it how it is.
Do you?
With those edges, yeah.
Okay. She's very cute. I'm very impressed with myself.
You did a great job.
Thank you so much. It's very difficult. She's so difficult. Okay.
A lot of people think it's harder to go big. It's
Yes.
much harder to go small.
It really is. Can I fix this a little bit?
Yes,
Okay.
I approve.
Don't make me laugh. Okay. She's sweet. I'm happy with her.
That's what you should call it, sweet pea.
Sweet pea. Yep. Okay, let's do a close-up. I hope you guys enjoyed. 2 very different vibes. And yet, that shows you the bloom. You can do all the things. Love you guys. Bye.